Okay guys, so I have completed the braid pattern. The parts in the back might not be so perfect because I really couldn't see back there, but this is the braid pattern that I use when doing a lace closure sewing on myself. This is my first time doing an actual video for you guys. Well, the next video is going to be of me installing this hair, y'all, okay? I'm about to install this UGlam hair. If you have not already, make sure you go check out the initial review for this hair. I actually colored it and all that good stuff. So we are about to install this UGlam hair. See if I really like it and how I really feel about it. But yeah, this is how I do my braid patterns, y'all. I'll go ahead and spin right quick for y'all one time. It's nice and flat. And that's really all I'm worried about, is having that secure foundation for my hair when I have an install in. Y'all, I have not wore a sew in probably 5, 6, maybe even 7 years. If you are old to this channel, then you probably seen some of my sewing videos back in the day where I left like hair out. But yeah, guys, if your hair is shorter around the edges, I would suggest you to add a little bit of hair in. That way you can have a nice secure foundation, or even throughout if your hair was short, I will tell you to add some hair in. But this is the braid pattern I use for my lace closure sew-ins. So yeah, if y'all want to see me install this hair, make sure y'all hit that next video up, okay? And yeah, it's about to be lit, so let's get it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. It's not really much of a tutorial, it's a walkthrough, but you guys can see how I'm parting this hair and everything like that. See how I braid it. And yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. If it was, make sure you comment down below. Also, if you guys have any more requests, then comment that down below too. As always, I love you guys, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.